In honor of Caribbean Heritage Month, subscription-based music streaming platform Pandora has created a campaign called One Caribbean that features several artists within reggae, soca, calypso, and dancehall genres. Yesterday, Pandora shared this video on their social media platform, stating that the Caribbean continues to be a source of cultural and musical richness that positively affects the lives of many on a global scale. This year's campaign sees the likes of Kabaka Pyramid, Sean Paul, Spice, Skip Marley, and Michelle Montano.
Tourists love to come here because of our beaches and the trees, and we have the ambience, the energy, the vibe, the food. Oh my God. When you get the ackee and the saltfish and the dumpling and the banana and the kalalu and the something there and you go down in a little rundown, our food is just different, and it's just an amazing experience when you come to Jamaica.
The month of June is designated as Caribbean Heritage Month to raise awareness of the rich cultural heritage and contributions to Caribbean Americans in the United States. Reggae singer Hezron has released another single from his forthcoming album. The track dubbed Save the Children is the third single from his upcoming album, Man on a Mission, MOAM. Save the Children pays tribute to youngsters globally being exposed to certain heinous acts and societal atrocities. The project's expected release date is July 29, with distribution courtesy of Tags Records. Now onto the international scene, where singer-songwriter Beyonce recently revealed the cover art and the inspiration behind her 8th studio album, Renaissance. The cover art pays a tribute to John Collier's historic painting of a noblewoman, Lady Godiva, as well as of Bianca Jagger's grand entrance on horseback at Studio 54 in 1977. In her caption, she stated that, quote, "Creating this album allowed me a place to dream and to find escape during a scary time for the world," end quote. Beyonce also outlined her intentions behind the music and how she expected the project to be received, adding that, quote, "It was her intention to create a safe place, a place without judgment, a place to be free of perfectionism and overthinking, a place to scream, release, and feel freedom. It was a beautiful journey of exploration," end quote. Renaissance is slated for release Friday, July 29. Now, earlier this month, Beyonce previewed the album with the house-inspired lead single Break My Soul, which samples both Robin S.'s 1993 house anthem Show Me Love and Big Frida's Explode. Rapper Ye, formerly known as Kanye West, is being sued for sampling a song by legendary musician Marshall Jefferson without his consent. Ye is accused of using a part of Jefferson's 1986 hit single Move Your Body at least 22 times on his track Flowers, featured on his latest album Donda. Jefferson's publisher Ultra International Music Publishing filed the complaint in New York's District Court on Wednesday, which sees profits and damages to be determined at a trial, or maximum statutory damages of $150,000 per infringement. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.